said that opposition is not part of that session. And I want to add a voice. You know, PRU is non-partisan, is non-sectarian, non-denominational civic organization, but carries the interests of this country, Uganda. First of all, President Museveni, when he came in 1986, he decentralized the leadership to the level that LC1, NRM has a committee, Electoral Commission of Byabakama has a committee. So, meaning government of the Republic of Uganda is represented right from LC1 up to national level. Therefore, parliament shifting parliamentary sessions to regions is a vote of no confidence to the members of parliament from different districts of this country who represent us in that house. Because the member of parliament, when you look at the roles of a member of parliament, there are 40 roles. One of the roles is representation. How do you represent? Go down to the people of the Republic of Uganda. When YMR Kajirangu, every young region is to be still Mishangero, Ishangero cover shifting about regional level. In Chibanchi Maisang, MPs Baremurwe, Chibanchi Maisang, Parliament, Yerekangu, so it don't come out to Jango, my book, she says the same. He was speaker, we hang. Gambia MPs are making a show, we have a weekend. Bagume bazombyaro byabo engaging voters bafuna ubuzubwabo bafune ko ebishemekorwa then babireta actually nabantu bagaruka bahereza accountability n'kintu cyo busasinga parliament negira uruhumuro eyo hereza ba MPs kushumanka uruhumuro rwesa ndibiri konko shanga ngo muri uruhumuro rwesa ndibiri MP yo bira facilitated kugenda kuganira n'abatezi bakaruru tagireyo agumere Kampala uruhumuro rucyuagaruka mu house hatunaza ku presenting ati so tugira ngo ecece cyo kujya nk'ikiko bazireta regional level kigwire no kushisha sente zo muhiwo mushoro abo kuba ba MPs bashemeye kutujekera kujya bakatwengenga bakatwara maraka gito mu parliament yebali.
Thank you so much. Ali ekibuzo kyange yes kugamba kyandwadde tukwatagana kyonna ensonga gyengeri okutunuuliramu ya budget.
So the budget when President Museveni returned it to Parliament. Yes, we are from Ambara. I was hard to know that the Katete Bridge was scrapped from the budget. But according to President Museveni, he said these MPs, mostly who are the speaker, we are more selfish, thinking about their own interests, not national interests. That's why you find one MP having injected in most things when one has nothing in that budget. So according to President Museveni, actually that was also corruption. Not prioritizing national interests for us all as the whole nation, but prioritizing your selfish interests. If you see that money, 50 million towards 100 million towards, yes, we believe that the Katete Bridge should be constructed. But that's why last time I had the speaker talking about it. But all those small things to appetize the voters that you are a lobbyist. When you are a corrupt person trying to manipulate the voters that you have not done anything, but when you are making the national interest not to be first, is that being a patriot or it is being a selfish person? So we believe and agree with President Museveni on that issue. Yes, we all need our bridge to be constructed, but the way it was brought, it was against the national interest of this country, because we can't. Mbara is not the only district in this country or the only city. We need equally share resources. Actually, that is when you go in the north, they say people from Mbara, they are favored, they are the ones who everything. So when they see that, do you think they will be happy? Or we need to be equal distribution of resources as the preamble they made in 1995. I think it will not. So for me and our fellow youth, we agree that yes, we need our bridge to be constructed, but let's first give national interest to the youth.
On the issue of the increment of salaries, first of all, we need to know, actually like journalists, you must interest yourself in how much does URA collect annually. Because when you look at the collections of our URA, cannot go up to 31 trillions. But the national budget is now currently is at 72 trillions. So what does it mean? It means that 3/4 of the budget will come from lobbying will come from donations and will come from loans and grants. So a country, and this is not only in Uganda, it is almost all African countries, because when you go to Kenya, they also have a debt budget. Tanzania the same, and all other countries. So when you look at the increment of salaries, one of the considerations that must be key are the whom should you, like which salary should you promote first? Because when you say all soldiers should have the same equal pay, when you look at privates, there are very many. When you go to now you advance to ranks, you will get to know that generals, 4-star generals are few, lieutenant generals are few, you come to major generals are few, you come to brigadier general are few, then you go to colonels, they are few, lieutenant colonels, they go reducing in number. Then when you come now to captain, you find there are many. You go to lieutenant, second lieutenant, you find there are many. Now what do? When you say you just increase the salaries, without those considerations, you will realize that the country will lack money and will collapse within one day. That's why, as a country, must have senior economists to advise the president, advise the state on how to run. The country must have senior political scientists to advise the state of the nation to ensure that the country is running normally. That's why the recent increment of salaries for science teachers and other science sector generally caused a lot of problems. Those who are civil servants, you know what is happening. Salaries are no longer coming directly like it used to be because of some shortfalls in the budget. So the issue of salaries, I request that senior economists should stop misleading our president. That's why we made a statement that the president is in captive. Because some people mislead him, just increase people's salaries. Tomorrow, money gets lost. You hear Mbarara City has paid its workers on 30th. You hear next month 10 people in the other district have not yet received the salary because the money is not there. Economists are misleading the president is just increasing salaries and money is nowhere. So this issue of salary increment must be very well touched, basing on our economic resources and our inflows as a country in terms of the URA collections and the loans we have. Thank you so much.
7 now? 7 now?
Just requesting, let's limit the questions.
Now, one question.
Today's subject matter.
Yes.
Please. Yeah?
I would like to ask, by the names of Dennis Musengo,
Made it clear that General Hose is intolerant to corrupt people. It is evidenced by where he has served. He has been in the army, the UPDF, the SFC, major of the SFC. I can tell you, there is no corruption, any incident of corruption in the SFC. Why? Because of the able leadership and non-tolerance to corruption that have been brought in by General Hose in Uganda. He has even influenced his people and predecessors all to emphasize leadership of no corruption. That's why what apart from that, himself, the president, made it clear that Moses is non-tolerant to corruption.
A single statement on that very question. You remember very well, in 1986 when Mzee Museveni took over, Uganda has had a lot of challenges. If Mzee Museveni was not a very strong and wise president, we would have failed. You know, from 1986, Museveni has fought a lot of wars, a lot of conflicts to ensure Uganda is now peaceful to the extent that we move border to border. You know the Rakwenas, you know the Tim Obote Tubak, you know the Konyi, all that. So you find that the president has concentrated much on consolidating the peace and stability of this nation for the last 38 years. That's why the national budget of this country, security has always dominated, because we have always had a lot of uprisings wanting to fall the government. But since now Mzee Museveni has stabilized the government and has stabilized the peace, we believe now General Hose Kainerugaba, his only role is now to tackle on corruption and ensure Uganda is declared a corrupt-free nation.
One last. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Yes.
Member of Patriotic of Uganda and Kwere Muslim. Tujja wange tuli out union are representing okushoma cyane cyabaye useki twashoboza mu mahuriro kigamba shoga kwenda President Museveni arebe kandi nawe yanabasa kugarukira cyo kubanza twanshaba President Museveni arebe ihanga ahari byakorire arebe umuntu wakwasa okuma ebintu byakora ihangeri arebe agire ati ubwire bushikire ebikora ihangeri bikozire okubire wakarika peyo okurebezo abo no waza no kugaragaza ati a stage echa kabiri wale beshonga za sinziraho okugira President wito Museveni obwire bushikire ngo magireke ajo yakwasa ndijo echo kubanza noreba eshonga yo buri bwenguzi abantu mu Uganda hati banyenguzi bakuma mukino abagambaho kibire cyo kujya President Museveni wenka takine man ko kuransenguza kajezo mihangeri kire twachi aro akakunda kamwetorire kenye nuko kakusinga kugira ki uriyenguzi aremerero kunonga okukora decision ya muheru okusharamu abantu bakabatwara miragiro nabazayo barugayo tusirebira ijoro President Museveni wanyira kajata bashuma bashemere kwegwa beyo okabira ha wikemwe ba wiki babareko turebera no baja kuza batumana bayimbadi kaba kutirengeza tuma kurasa kwa mena tuma tupire tubatire kwire mwenu tujya kumbyebe kuba turagombye kugira ngo bashijana batuye sente zituze mushobora tubaratire obiro kw'ikomisho twekaba generation yitwe bajetaje umujungu bajetaje nzi yababa abarubiro zate ora mujyango hona sheshi turasigaza bino waje tubona kunonja ababanzo bakano bari bashuma kimwe ihangera kutwarishajiro kwatushanga so mwe nshaba President Museveni abantu basibani bamataka gabantu sino kubagambaho buri umwe nayo koracengari itakarubijaba kuringaho kikokote ubona n'abashuma n'abarebenguzi babetuga tubakusharira atumunako takine bugambiro umuhanganite koka ebe byona tubugamba aho kubahino umuntu turebere kubasa kubiyaho byona ijoro kutabe turumasaka na jono muza kadirati ya gamba abantu ya hamisize kugira takenda bashuma bamataka omuntu kokwe orwanira kimwe abashuma bamataka no kokora abinje na UPDF omataka gabantu echo nchikwereka kwiyabire CDF yabingaba abasirikari bihange ayo bayamba abantu bamana bisense okubita kali abantu babuze ya mweno hatunoje kara President rakora shuke CDF ko kayerise weshi takutenda kandi yachitire n'umukora abashita kumutera hingara gwejo echa kabiri woko muntu atwira ryo mai mwe yamberoho okutandika ihe ya SFC abantu bakaba bahire yabarimo woko umuntu kije action na President Museveni akakigambaho yajya to kumuhozi abantu kabakwasa action na General Saraka kigambo Saraka bakaja muze akatwa kose byo kugira tutandike hihe twagezeho kutandika ryatuyema woka muhozi kizire ati ni kwamisiriza Special Forces Command na mahanga ni ihe mahigiti ga UPDF erusingayo okubera umutawano isiyo kandi cyo naco tumanya echo asese no muhozi obwira bwamaza kusavinga mu SFC no bwaje mu UPDF aha sabindire hona corruption tebayo echo chikwereka umuhozi n'umucunguzi akaba ari naza kucungura perambenge yataka banyiganda bataka kuberangira twaza akwana yes nabwo President Museveni akoze but bitirize umutyaje no mwe nakura yadari umuzire irabakomera kumwejunisa akuja kuzire bakwebe mutakorobero umwe bamahane bintu bikwiro ushanga umuntu ofitire bamahane ko information bikwiro so ntushaba obwire bushikire obwire kucheni bwo bwabutariyo abukomhozi n'omuntu okubasa okutahembera na President Museveni ya touch President Hange akaguma ayo mihangari ya kweta yakunju okahijo ndilo tatetebekanisi basa kwendera kitwarujire so okwe harebe byona okugaruka hitwarujire reka twena twagira umuntu orakumiza munebirunje Museveni akozere bitari bibi twende kurunje byo kandi yatwerekire ngwe najere ebibi abiyeho arete birunje abiyeho arete birunje bibi sekindi Muhoozi we umwana wo kubanza wa umujungu baceta revolution umwana wo kubanza wa revolution eje yito yahijiro mu Uganda ya Mubenda cyana mukazi so twetegereza je nawe namanya eze shonge zatwire bishe n'abandi umushaka nawe nazimanya eze kiriho nazazukuza aho barugira umusitaringe kuranda sembuzi okutwara abantu ubona bakwenkana kandi umuntu kwendo inje umusiye okukura nashimirwa ari umusiye icyo nacyo naza kucukuza ebi byo naza kugira kimwe aho barugira arayini abagira aho babikizine naje kubishaba abanyarwanda tonore abantu bato twashara ati imwe batata bitu na bamuzeyi mutagire akona ati mu murati seven abakoye ko kinyo kikire imamuje nabo nabakunani barumbagia inyesa yitu simo batata bitu bamuzeyi mutagire kujyanwa abana banyu babeje mu rubobi
General, His Excellency Dr. Museveni, to give us a chance to also lead this country, because I believe in MK that we can make it, we can push Uganda to another level, and basically I know we are good at fighting corruption.
Ana kurubuto kwekalakasa ne buli kibuwamu wonna tosobola omwana tasobola genda nagenda mu office nasaba omulimu ne bagumuwa nga talina sente zawaddeyo talina kyataddeyo kati kireetedde abantu bangi okwekyawa mu Uganda ne bagenda ku nguuto badokita ne beekalakaasa abasomesa ne beekalakaasa buli muntu yenna nayeekalakaasa lwaki enguzi eyitiridde mu ggwanga kati twagala omuzeeyi waffe ebintu byonna bikoze era bikoze mu birungi kati twagala tuwe General Muhoozi tulaba ye musajja kati asobola okuvaayo najjako bino ebintu byonna ebyokwekalakaasa ebyobubbi okutwala amataka g'abantu kati waliwo abantu abanene bamwe babadde batwala amataka g'abantu nga tayogeddwako n'obwokubira poliisi nga poliisi etyayo n'obwogendewa RDC nga amutya naye tulaba General Muhoozi ebyo bintu agenda kubikola tusaba muzeeyi waffe president waffe jjajja waffe atuwe General Muhoozi asobole okutukulembera mukama batuweere nnyo omukisa
kye bayita omukulembeze omupya atendekeddwa ayina amaanyi omuvubuka kyetuba tuvuddeyo n'eddoboozi ddene nga tusaba kkiriza owumuze General Kaine Lugaba agende mu bantu akole consultation yasobola okukwata eggwanga 2026 yasobola okuggyawo enguzi era ffe mu kibiina kyaffe ekya PLU tetukkiriza kye bayita nguzi okuviira ddala ewa mukama waffe so nsaba baweereza mwenna mujje tugatte eddoboozi mujje tutegekere eggwanga lyaffe tuli miti mito ate ffe tugamba nti emiti emito gye gigumiza ekibira mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala